Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the SMUG. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, making them ideal for home use, camping, or parties. Today, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and see how they stack up against each other. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY ice maker is priced at $89, while the SMUG model is more budget-friendly at just $69. This significant price difference makes the SMUG a more attractive option for cost-conscious buyers looking for a reliable ice maker. Both ice makers boast impressive daily production capacities, with the EUHOMY producing 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours and the SMUG slightly edging ahead at 26.5 pounds. This means both machines can keep up with your ice needs, whether for a party or daily use. One of the key differences is in the ice size options. The EUHOMY produces a single size of bullet ice, while the SMUG offers two sizes, providing greater versatility for different beverages. This feature can be particularly useful for entertaining guests or for different drink recipes. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and SMUG countertop ice makers have their strengths. The EUHOMY is portable and quieter, while the SMUG offers better value with its lower price and dual ice sizes. But, depending on your priorities, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.